everyone, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and after that here in search pool let's enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open, click yes I agree and pick close. Tap to here to OK on the left down corner, and now we can see here the information with the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 29.3, and that's it. Also, we can find here more information like the battery health, capacities, just device battery temperature, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.